Alright, so Sony finally reveals the details and the pricing for the upcoming audio devices for the Sony PlayStation 5, and those devices are the Pulse Elite wireless headset and the other one is Pulse Explore wireless earbuds. And the pricing will be for the Pulse Elite wireless headset $150 and also €150, and the Pulse Explore wireless earbuds will be available for $200, and for European people it'll be €220. That is a lot of money for these earbuds and headphones. And apart from that, just a quick note, these are the only audio devices gonna work with the PlayStation Portal, so that kind of suck. And the other news we have is PlayStation now has 13 Assassin's Creed games for free. So if you're an Assassin's Creed fan or interested in checking out Ubisoft series, you may want to become a PlayStation Plus Extra or PlayStation Plus Premium subscriber. And you're gonna ask why? Well, those two tiers of PS Plus both offer 13 different Assassin's Creed games for free. Unfortunately, if you're looking to check out the latest installment of the series, that is the Assassin's Creed Valhalla, you're out of luck. It's not gonna be available in those 13 games. But apart from that, there's like 13 Assassin's Creed games, and trust me, those are way better than Assassin's Creed Valhalla. If you haven't played the Assassin's Creed Revelation, if you haven't played Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, you guys are gonna get ruined by those games, because those are the games you need to try, because I have played them when I was a kid, and trust me, you'll never like any other Assassin's Creed game stories the way they made those games. And the games you're gonna be getting for free for PS Plus Extra and Premium are gonna be Assassin's Creed 3 Remastered, Assassin's Creed Chronicles China, Assassin's Creed Chronicles India, Assassin's Creed Chronicles Russia, Assassin's Creed Freedom Cry, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Assassin's Creed Origins, Assassin's Creed Rogue Remastered, Assassin's Creed Syndicate, Assassin's Creed the Ezio Collection. That includes the one I was talking about, the Brotherhood and Revelations, and the Assassin's Creed Unity. Trust me, these games are worth playing if you're a PS Plus Extra and Premium member. I highly recommend you guys to try on. So anyway, this is it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.